Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the vehicle is ready. Park, switch off, remove the key and wait about 60 seconds so modules enter sleep state. Keep the owner manual and any PIN or dealer code handy. Many resets require authentication. If battery voltage is low, attach a stable 12V source or fully charge the battery first. Once done, power the car to accessory mode without starting the engine and access the infotainment or settings menu to start the reset sequence. You now carry out the core steps. Enter settings, locate system or vehicle settings, and select factory reset. Read each confirmation and proceed deliberately. For engine control or transmission module resets, perform the specified ignition cycles, off, on, off, timed per the manual to clear learned parameters. Make sure to back up navigation favorites and unpair Bluetooth devices before wiping profiles, because you will need to repair and restore saved driver settings once the reset completes. Finish by fully restarting the vehicle and then drive a short, varied route so the engine, transmission and sensors can relearn parameters and calibrate. If dashboard warnings remain, plug in an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner, record any P codes, and research or relay those codes to a technician. If the system requests a PIN you don't have or modules remain locked, contact the dealer with your VIN. Do not attempt forced reflashes without professional tools. One key troubleshooting tip: verify battery voltage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.